Hello, my name is Adam and I'm part of Google team in Globema, a Google Cloud Premier partner. I will be your guide for this video tutorial series called Google Maps Platform. In the first episode, we'll take a closer look on what was before Google Maps Platform was introduced and what is now. We will go through license changes, pricing changes, and changes in products. Before Google Maps Platform was introduced in July 2018, there were two license models available. All Google Maps users were differentiated based on their individual use cases and then offered with corresponding plan. For instance, if you used Google Maps on publicly accessible website, you could use standard plan and benefit from free daily limits. However, if you use Google Maps in internal application or in application with paid login, you were offered with premium plan with prepaid limits and usage. Introduction of Google Maps Platform changed everything. Google stopped to differentiate users based on how they use Google Maps, and Google Maps Platform was introduced, which is a scalable model for all users. It fits individual users with one website and locator of his business, but also it fits international players who have network of branches and customers. What is more important, it can be used by asset tracking customers such as ride sharing, bike sharing, or IoT applications. Users can implement Google Maps Platform services on their websites, mobile apps, desktop apps, and many more. Now, let's have a closer look on pricing under Google Maps Platform. Pricing under Google Maps Platform is different than we were used to under Premium and Standard plan. Google Maps Platform is a pay-as-you-go model, which means users pay on a monthly basis for their usage in previous month. The pricing is structured and users are only charged for services they use. There are no packages, there are no upfront payments for limits of usage. Simply said, you only register your usage once and use as much as your use case needs it. As your business grows, Google Maps Platform grows with it, but if you are having hard times, Google Maps Platform adjusts to your actual needs and limits. For community of developers and users who heard there is no free usage under Google Maps Platform anymore, I have good news. Google grants free monthly usage in the amount of $200 for each user, which means also developers can use Google Maps Platform services for free. There are different ways to pay for your monthly usage, either by registering your credit or debit card online, or you can reach out Globema for payments through partner. Also, there are different prices for those users who register online and those who register with partner. Only two prices are available through online registration, while there is 7 price levels available through partner registration. Let's now move to the last part of our first video and introduce 3 core products. Google has now 3 core products that can be used as building blocks to create location-aware experience: maps, roads, and places. Maps brings the real world to your users with customized maps and street view imagery. Roads help your users find the best way to get from A to B with comprehensive data and real-time traffic. Places help users discover the world with rich location data for over 100 million places and enables them to find specific places using phone numbers, addresses, and real-time signals. I hope you enjoyed our first episode of Google Maps Platform video tutorial, and I believe you gained some interesting information. I'm looking forward to reach to you in the next video, in which we will introduce closer the 3 product groups of Google Maps Platform. In case of any questions, you can comment under video or leave us a message through our website. If you like this video, you can click on like button and subscribe button to stay connected with the next topics and Globema. Thank you and have a nice day.